trials and the kind of turmoil that she's going through in her own life. And I think every woman comes through it. So, probably that's the reason why women should watch it. Why men should watch it is so that they try and understand that this is something which is going on in a woman's mind. I think this play is more important for men to watch it than for women. It just gives you that insight into a woman's psyche, into the fact that it's so much more than what meets the eye. So probably that's the reason why they should come and see it. Of course, the range of emotions that Sharon depicts, so the kind of the range of emotions that she has, what she's going through, is such a wide spectrum. Okay. You'll be surprised कि इतना सब कुछ भी हो सकता है एक human के अंदर. When you start prodding into it, there's so much which is happening in your mind.
Just another.
She's just someone. She's just as normal as who I am, probably. As you were, whoever's sitting here in this room. And she's not pretending to be someone else either.
No.
She's just there, as bare, as naked as possible. My सामने में जो कुछ है. And the best part about this script or this play is the fact that she embraces who she is. And she's not ashamed about who she is. So that's the way it is. And I think the beauty of this script is the fact that she's out there as bare as possible. वो एक बहुत similar character है Sharon. She doesn't pretend to be someone else. She's just as Sharon. She's right in front of you. जैसी है वैसी है आपके सामने. और good, bad, ugly, वो ये सब भी preach नहीं करती है. She doesn't preach. She doesn't say that what I've done is good, what I've done is bad. She doesn't try to give a justification for it. It's just her. She's fallen in love with a boy who's 15 years younger than her. So what? So be it. She's not ashamed about it. She's happy about it. She's dancing, she's thinking about it. She feels bad about the fact that her husband can't satisfy her sexually. And she's talking about it as openly as possible. Why not? Why not? So that's the way it is.
आप इसमें सारा इमोशनल स्पेक्ट्रम आप ऑलमोस्ट कवर कर रहे हो. The anger is there, fear is there, frustration is there, happiness is there, romance is there, disgust is there. मतलब मेरे ख्याल से कोई शायद फीलिंग रेडी हो जो इसमें नहीं होगी. सारा कुछ कवर कर रहे हो. So which Sharon is the one जिससे आप as a person सबसे ज़्यादा आप relate करते हैं? Which is the part which is most enjoyable for you to do and most close to your heart?
The part which is closest to me as an actor or as a person, but I think one quality of hers which I relate the most to is that she's not scared to feel her feelings. So डर नहीं लगता है, and I think that's the best, that's the closest I can relate to myself. Why should you be scared to feel your own self? And that's the best, I think. Yeah, that's the way it should be. It's really like
Wow, I can see how much you can do.
Yeah, so she's not ashamed about it. Why should anybody be ashamed about being yourself? It's your emotions, it's your inner self which needs to come out, and yeah, that's the way it should be, always. Yeah, sorry.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's the way it should be. How do you define feminism?
I'm asking you that. That's the thing.
See, I don't know how you really define feminism. For me, feminism is everything about equality. That's the way I define feminism. Men and women are two equal sections of the society which need to go hand in hand at every point in time. In anything they do, and one can't survive without the other. But yes, everybody has the right to feel what they want to, and they should not cover it up because of society. I think the society at times becomes too heavy for us to bear. So, yeah, I think we need to open up very happy that we as a society are opening up to have been able to stage such a good play as this and people coming up with good responses, with good reviews.
After reading the characters.
Good question. Wow. So when I first read this script, मुझे नहीं पता था if I would be able to do so much on stage. And again, as I said, the script deals very, very strongly about homosexuality, about coming in the open about homosexuality. And we as a society have been so constrained. We're taught कि लड़कियाँ ऐसी होनी चाहिए, वैसी होनी चाहिए. हमारी there's a set pattern in which we have to behave. So and this script actually breaks those shackles and makes you, again, as I said, she stands bare in front of everybody. So to let go of those inhibitions, I think as an actor, the script has made me evolve so much. I don't think I don't think I have any more ambitions in life. Not just about being on stage, but about life in general as well. So, just to come back to your question, I think maybe बहुत हालत खराब हुई थी कि इस script को हम कैसे stage करेंगे. But of course, once we were on stage, once we understood where the character was coming from, why was she doing what she was doing, I think it all fell into place. It was brilliant just to stage what she did.
Toughest.
Please come and watch the play. It's happening on April 8th at Akshara at 5 p.m. and on April 22nd at Akshara again at 5 p.m. So come watch me live and hopefully you guys will enjoy it.